Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2013 Mini Cooper, and I'm going to go over the process in which you use to be able to change your cabin air filter. So the cabin air filter is located right down here at the bottom of your glove box. You don't need to open up the glove box. It's all accessed down there through the bottom. So let's move down there, and this is on our passenger side, right-hand side of the vehicle. So you're going to see this little cover right here, and we just need to be able to pop it open, which has little tabs. All right, so using a pick tool or a screwdriver, you can be able to get these to unclip. There we go. So that folds down, and it gives us access to our cabin air filter, and then we can pull this out, and it's a fairly long unit that slides up in there and wraps around there. So we want to match the airflow of the unit. So opening up our new cabin air filter. So typically there's an airflow arrow. There's not on this. I guess it can go either way. But if you do have an airflow filter arrow, this would be the back side as it sucks in all the air. So just got to get it lined up in there. And so it'll basically follow a groove here. So it just makes a little S bend through there. You can see the little tab in the groove there, and then once it's down there, then we can just close up that clamp, and that would be the replacement of our cabin air filter on a 2013 Mini Cooper. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.